back to my YouTube channel. So today I am going to be unboxing my new MacBook Pro 2020. So I got it before I left Dominica, and I sent it to my sister here in Dallas. So I just got to Dallas and I'm going to be unboxing it. So there's going to be a video on my traveling from Dominica to Dallas, and also did my final days in Dominica. So you guys should go watch that. I'm going to put the link in my description box. So I'm going to be unboxing this now, so stay tuned to find out. So I'm going to be unboxing it. How do I say it? I thought it's too big. I thought it's too big. So I'm going to be showing you guys what it came with. So it came with the MacBook Pro, obviously, and then they also have the USB-C to the USB-C Lightning. I also have the documentation here, which came, I'm sure came with some stickers. Let me check. Yeah, documentation and space gray stickers. And then the charger, quite huge. This is my first time using the MacBook ever, so I can imagine how wonderful my experience is going to be. So let's put on the laptop. I'm going to keep this. So I'm just going to do a quick setup and then come back and tell you guys how the setup was. It's on, and I have to figure out how to operate it or something and how to set it up. So I want to tell you guys about this I got on Amazon. It's a USB hub. It's a USB. So since the MacBook has like restrictions on what you can use on it, so I got this so I could put 3 USB ports. I think this is for an SD card. This is the other one. So I'll put the Amazon link for you guys to see in case you wanted to purchase it. So that's all I have for you today, guys. Thanks for tuning in today. I'm going to make a video on how to set up my MacBook Pro, hopefully next week. To like, to comment, to subscribe, tell a friend, to share, and to announce the word that your girl is here. So new content coming up very soon, so stay tuned to find out. Bye guys.